Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can install WebIIS services on Windows Server 22 using extensions in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines. Now click on create and click on virtual machine. In resource group, click on drop down menu and choose your resource group. In virtual machine name, give any meaningful name. In region, default region is good for our testing purpose. In availability options, click on drop down menu and choose availability set. I am choosing availability set because I am going to use this in our upcoming video. In availability set, if you do not have created any availability set, then click on create new and give any name. After providing name, click OK. Now scroll down to images. Windows Server 2022 is good. Size is also good. Now in username, give any username and also set any password for your web server. In inbound port rules, we also need to allow HTTP port for our web server. Now click on next. We do not need any additional disks. Click next. Default networking settings are good for our testing purpose. Click next. We do not need any kind of management changes. Click next. We do not using any advanced settings. Click next. In tags, set any tag. In name, type name. In value, type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes, so we have to wait till that. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Now in settings, click on extensions plus applications. Here basically we need to attach our script for our WebIIS services. Here we have one script. As you can see in line 1, we are just installing the WebIIS services on our server, and in line 2 we are creating a web page with the name of index.html. Here we are just printing welcome to OneMinuteLab. We are running web server 01. Here in extensions, click on add and scroll down to custom script extensions. Click on it and then click on next. Here we need to upload our script. For this, click on browse, choose our storage, open this container and now click on upload. In files, click on select a file. Here we have one script with the name of webiis.ps1. Choose this script and click on open. Override because this file is already exist and click on open. As you can see, our script is uploaded successfully. Now click on this script and click on select. Click on next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. Here you can see our deployment is in progress. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here click on home and click on virtual machines. Now click on web server 01. Copy this public IP address and open this IP address in new tab. Here you can see welcome to OneMinuteLab. We are running web server 01. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.